All right, welcome back. Welcome back, everybody. Take a look. Yeah. Am I late? Nah, bro. Literally just joined. I literally just hopped on. So at the perfect time, buddy. All right, so let me just try to see what's going on with. So boom, boom, boom. Not treatable. No. I think we can get some good trades on YM right here. So like for NSCs for the time being, I'm not gonna be looking at them until 11, and I will go ahead and cover that later on. Gun 2, gun 3. See what's going on right there. All right, can we get these failure swings? That's not really a sweep, so I'm just gonna keep it right there. We do have the second size D. There's nothing really here to target, so we traded below hourly. We traded below Thursday's low. Okay, that's an interesting Monday. That's an interesting Monday. But ideally, I want to trade back into these fair swings, man. That's the first thing like that kind of cuts my eye. Silver going on 4 hour. Closes at. That's a fucking bullish C2. With disclosure, we do have SMT, and it's a PSP, so you can trade back to the AQ, going to M5, see what's going on right there. But like, look at the CISD, what that confirms the hive day. Just finishing. Interesting day. That's a really interesting day. That's a really interesting day. What I'll be trading for now is, I think silver. Once I get that new swing, I'll take it back into the highs. That's like the cleanest idea for now that we got. So I'll just go ahead and marry that idea. We're also seeing that gold is CISD into the upside, which is a good sign. Going to M3. I really need that deep pullback, like a bit of deeper pullback to form the low and then confirm the continuation higher. Let me take that off. I don't really trust this opposing candle, so ideally, I want to see deeper retracement. Ideally, sweeping this gap, then trade above, giving me that closure. Yeah, and I would probably trade it back into the EQ of that range, which we're already in. But still, let me take it from the high to low. Kind of that first level has been taken out. If we see the failure to manipulate, then we're probably gonna go to that next level. So if I pretend, if I expect my entry to be somewhere in here, we're just gonna go somewhere. Is that a bank holiday? No, we don't have a bank holiday today, buddy. Hello, hello. What's up, man? Welcome back. I don't like how shallow this retracement is. Yep, tomorrow is. So let's see if we can see some volatility today. So like this is an okay trade, but I'm not gonna take it. I was hoping price could retrace a little bit, just trade it back into one of these highs, like either that high or that high. Also the fact that gold gave that CISD candle 2 with this SMT fail. Is that SMT fail? Let me check. No, it's not. It's not. Like this is a good trade, but like the RR is not there for 2R. The RR is not there. The failure to manipulate, the confirming the closure below. This opposing candle. And you kind of trade this 10 a.m. candle, expecting that this is the new protected swing and we're just gonna go to this level. But the 2R is not there. Do you trade candle 4? Yep, I do. Give me guys 1 sec, I'll bring my coffee. Give me 1 sec. And C5? Nope. Wait. Alright. Let me put. Alright, let's see how this is gonna form. Like YM's looking good actually. I don't like this wick, but if you form an hourly swing, yep. Open low, form the low. New invalidation level, which is this 4-hour gap, give us the hourly swing. I'm gonna take it. So NSCs, I'm not gonna take a look at them probably at gonna get back there at 11. For now, like RB looks good, looks really good with these fair swings, but hopefully form the new gap. Either price takes out that level, then forms a new swing, then we can trade to external, or CL trade somewhere in here, we form the new gap, giving that swing, and I can trade back into the low. That's it. So let me just take that off. Or HO, look at HO, it took out external already, and there's nothing really here to target. Like the next relevant swing is this, so to trade the failure to manipulate without a new swing, it's a bit risky, and who knows, I might get a 30-minute CISD, which would confirm. Look at that, look at the range, it's small, so it still supports expensive. We get that CISD, this probably will be the low of day, and we can trade back into the daily open or the current daily high, while CL and RB like expanded a little bit. And looking at RB, like it did trade above previous daily high, CISD, like this CISD, the next CISD is here. So like this swing, this 9 a.m. swing, and try to trade the 9:30 expansion. That was like a really clean trade. Let me see if we could have caught something there. Nah, no, we couldn't have. So again, so for these assets, we have to wait for a new swing to form, ideally. And yeah, silver, I wanted a deeper retracement, probably to sweep the gap and then trade it higher into that high, but I think it's just gonna go. I don't like how shallow this opposing run is. Like by now, I think I could have got that 2R. Or like if you looked for the retracement, like 2R is achieved already, but like that's too small. Is that right in every reversal? There is an SMT and swing. Swing, yes. SMT sometimes yes, sometimes not. But it's preferably if there's an SMT there. That's an extra confluence. But swing, yeah. Price moves from a swing to swing, so. That's why I require a swing, because that's like the first signature. And then if we get an SMT, that would be an extra confluence. C2, again, 4-hour. You just keep stacking the confluences there. Give me 1 sec, guys. I'm gonna mute the mic just to drink coffee. me see, the EQ of that candle is here. So literally, like, if you're expecting a new swing to form, it should probably form somewhere in here. But it's a bit risky. Like, it's really risky to kind of anticipate that this, you put your stop there and you go for 2R, or you might just extend it a little bit just at that body. Should give 2R, but still. If it goes, it goes. Hopefully it gives us that new swing. That would be really ideal. If it doesn't, yeah, then probably seek reversals on HO. Because by the time probably this, if this is gonna be the reversal point, then yeah, HO there's nothing really to reverse off of. So we can take this range, the EQ, which means like probably all this range is gonna get taken out at some point. Let's just wait and see. M5. Wow, beautiful. First CISD. That's beautiful actually. Like for the people, like I'm sure if real inner trades comes in the chat, it will be like, I took that trade. I took the CISD. I don't know, it would probably put this stop somewhere in here because it always takes the first CISD. So if he comes, this would be some of his trades. It always trades candle too. The guy who comes in the chat, his name Real Inner Trades. He comes to the stream from time to time. And he just shows up, he's just like, oh, I took a trade, and then like after 10 minutes he leaves or something. Yeah. But I'm sure, like, if this trade trades for like 1.5 R, it will come on the stream, I'm sure. It will come and be like, oh, I took this trade. How can I confirm high of day, low of day? In 4 hours CISD, 4 hours CISD, 15 minutes CISD. Hourly, better. The higher the better. The higher the better. But like if you confirm a CISD on a 4 hour at the daily low, like it's almost impossible because like the daily candle has just like 5 swings. Then by the time we get the CISD, either the new daily opening, like for example the candle opens, this is 1800, it will cause the CISD. That doesn't confirm the low of day. So if you mean a 4 hour swing with a CISD, that's so rare because the 4 hour just has 5 4 hour candles. And like if you form a swing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so it will not CISD. So ideally hourly or 30 minute. 15 minute, nah, you gotta be a bit cautious right there. Let me see. Let me see what's going on. Oh, that's good. The trade above the swing, so we got a. So this SMT is just the catalyst for that retracement for price to take out the high on the leading asset. If you see ISDs, then that would be beautiful. Again, I will have to wait for an hourly swing because yeah, just look at the daily profile. The low is right there. Looking at the EQ of that range, like somewhere in here. So if you want to trade back, probably one of these lows. But again, if you guys remember what I told you guys, I don't know, like 2 weeks ago or something. This is the swing. It got manipulated, so I'm not gonna target this level. I'm gonna target this one. This level, because this was the manipulation of this level. So I'm gonna use the level that got manipulated, not the manipulation level. If you get what I mean right there. Just to be safe. Sometimes just price reverses, like I'm not gonna hold like for 2 extra points and then risk the fact that price might either pull back, take me out, or pull back reverse. So just rather be safe than sorry. But like in cases like this, when it's not like really too far away, that's like 2 points. Let me see, like not even 2 points, I guess. No, 6 points. Oh, that's something you gotta pay attention to. So let's see, we got a PSP, we got a 2-stage PSP. So 9 AM is the first stage. This is the second stage. And again, for now, this is a 3-stage cracking correlation. The other fact that this is a PSP, but is it gonna close as a PSP or no? And look at YM, looking at YM. It did something which is good. It's an hourly CISD. So if we form an hourly swing here, or an hourly swing here, with that hourly CISD, then now We're gonna trade the leading asset to the downside, which is YM. Trade it back into the lows. And for shorts, I'm not gonna be waiting for an hourly swing. This is the C2. Let me see what's going on on 3 minute. Oh, we got the sweep. Have we got the sweep? Did we get the sweep? No, we didn't. Oh my god, that was so close. Let me see. That's interesting, actually. Let me see. Yeah, the stop is huge. Nah. All right. That's looking good. That's looking good, actually. Let me see what's going on with Euro. Oh, we should above. I did not. But the problem with these, like these correlated assets, like look at the time they start. Not 9 a.m. They start at 9:02. That's the issue. So you can never tell. Like with GPP is good. ICE. Let me try to find XEG Euro. No. XG Euro. Let me see if it went out and get the job done. Alright, it's getting the job done. So let me grab this new one. Euro. Oh. CG Euro. Then I'm just gonna go with O1 now. Boom. Take that off. Put a green. YM is the V shape reversal. It's looking good, actually. But I prefer silver for now. If it closes as a C2. If not, then yeah, that is what it is. SMG. I also got this SMG right there. This one. So that's. Let me see. Let's see. I'll have to wait for the 30-minute candle to close. All right. That's good, actually. That's good. That's looking clean. 3 minute. Yeah, the fact. Oh my god. If we got that sweep, 100%, I'm gonna take this one. If we got the sweep 100%, I'm taking this short. But I have to, again, to do my usual thing. This is the external. I'll probably trade just like to this level. Then what I'm gonna do is just have the limit, the stop right there, TP right there, and I have to play with the entry to give me that 2R. If I get it, then that's good. If not, where are you going to have some free time to do some backtests? And I was planning to do it like last time we talked. I was planning to do it on Sunday, but I had something like really urgent, so I couldn't really make it. Next week, not next week, like on the weekend, probably. I'll probably like let you guys know beforehand, but on the weekend, most likely. Let me bring a notebook because I need to clear my ideas. Silver. I don't think I'm gonna get that too. Seed candle too, maybe. Alright, just take some notes for what's going on right there. We're forming right now, probably gonna form that new validation level. So let me just go back to. That's beautiful. Let me see. Boom, boom. That's 2R. That's not. Oh, that's beautiful. Come on, give me that. Let me see the M5. Oh, that looks good, man. I'm gonna take that one. If we get the sweep on the CISD, I'm gonna take that one. With anticipation that this is a failure to manipulate. And yeah, the continuation lower. Even though we're a bit low on the range, but yeah. I anticipate that this sweep is gonna give us that movement. The enough volume to kind of continue lower, hopefully. Let me see the projections. Like that's a big range. Oh, that aligns perfectly with the 2.5. So yeah, I'm still gonna take that trade. If we get that sweep, so again my one alert right there, one right here, sweep, or if we kind of form probably the trace here, break, then give us that CISD, that would also be fine. Yeah, there's nothing real here that would make each O trade back. We get this gap. If we form a new swing, then we can anticipate that the price is gonna go to that low, but it's a bit far away. Let me try to see the projection for that day. 4.5, so it's a bit reasonable, but still, gotta be cautious about right there. Or if we form a new swing, that would be beautiful. So again, this is the candle 2, candle 3. I will be trading candle 4. But yeah, if it doesn't give the entry after this candle closes, then I'll have to wait for a new swing, man. I think I'll have to reassess this situation. Because now I'll be looking for, because once this candle closes, this is a C2. So if we form that sweep within the new candle, so now I'm trading a candle 2. So let's see. So price just traded above, which is a good sign. But is it gonna give that reversal in 6 minutes? I'm not sure. Let's see. Alright, let's see. We did get the sweep. Good. Good. Let me see. Like the problem with that candle is kind of trading. Like if you guys look on hourly, it did form a change in state on 30 minutes. It also formed the hive day. So it's a bit iffy right there, to be honest. Is that a PSP? No, it's not. That's what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for that closure. If you get that closure, that would be beautiful. Oh, RB traded below a significant low. Okay. What time was it? Alright. That's some new info right there. That's a C2, okay. Alright, that's good. Hopefully, we got that 30-minute swing. Form a new swing here. 30-minute swing. Then yeah, we can first target this level, then this level. We should also signify that RB forms a new swing. This is a failure to manipulate, so we can have the confidence that there is an available low on RB. Also, there is an available low on CL. And on HO, whatever that swing forms, then we can just either target this low, or we can be like, there's also another low right here. But this is like a really far away, so. Failure to close multiple times. First, second, let's see if that third time is gonna close. But again, I just wanted to see if silver would go to that high, which is a bit less likely because that's the current high of the day. Even though looking at the daily, it's a bullish candle, so trading this, you're actually aligned with that daily candle, but still, yeah, there is not enough volume right there to kind of take it higher. So let's see. Hopefully the next candle takes out the high, forms this swing. We can trade back into the lows. Super is this. Super easy is this. Like, quite straight to the point. Alright, so I have to wait for a new 30-minute candle. Wow. Are you gonna get that trade, man? That's interesting. Let me see. We still got the SMT holding, by the way. So it would be perfect RR. Yep, that's what I'm looking at, like 2.5. That's really good. But the fact that, but the issue is like RB haven't CISD'd yet. It did not form that CISD. So that's my only issue. Because RB, look at that. Once it got to that level, boom, boom, V, and now it's CISDing. So yeah, it's not causing CL to trade higher. Because RB, like looking at it, let me see which one is the leading asset to the downside. Like you could say both. They're kind of the same level, not gonna lie. But yeah, hopefully we can form a new swing. Also on silver, I want a new bearish swing. I don't really want to take buys. I just want to anticipate that this is the high of day. Just trade this CISD, new swing. This is what they call head and shoulders. I wanted to trade the left shoulder. Like right shoulder, left shoulder, head. I want to trade the right shoulder with that CISD, that new swing. take it back to the lows. That would be an easy trade. Also right there, like, because if you look on a 4 hour, we got that C2, and I don't really want to go with that previous candle's range, and I was still holding that T spot. Also, that candle was still holding that T spot. And on silver, there's a lot of range to go to. And also here. Head and shoulders is simple. I still remember Cristiano Ronaldo used to do the advertisement for Head and Shoulders. Oh wow, I think I might shift my bias completely if we have an hourly closure. Yeah, we get that fat SMT right there. There's nothing really that would hold HO from trading up into the high for an hourly swing. Like, there's nothing really here. That volume imbalance, I wouldn't care about the volume imbalance. Let me see. This is not rebalance, so we can trade back into all these levels. Damn, that would be beautiful. So for now, here's the plan. Wow, YM is actually trading lower. So for now, I'm just gonna go to the hourly. I'm just gonna stay away. Wait, let me see the M3. Yeah, if we get that sweep, then I could have been able to put my stop. Like, the TP would be there. The stop would be, let's just imagine, like, the wick probably was, let's say it was this high. Cover the high, and we can play with the entry. And now we could have been triggered in the trade, going into TP. But, like, yeah. I wouldn't like get that sweep, so I'll just neglect that one. Price action for NQ and ES is super boring. Yeah, just look at that, like, slowly trading. ES, just, wow. Seek and destroy. So let's see. Oh wow, so gold is there's also some great potential on gold, guys. This is the fair to manipulate. If we get that candle 3 closure below, boom. Let me try to make the colors good. That way you can guys keep up with me. Gonna make that gray. Gonna make that CSD. Always have to press save to be able to change the colors for some reason. Will it work now? Gray. Oh, it's still loading. Alright, that's good. CSD. So yeah, I will be anticipating that price manipulated level. We formed the bearish swing off of a gap. Candle 3, I'll be taking candle 4 into these levels. So let's just wait and see what kind of price we'll get there. This is the new invalidation level on 30 minute. He's doing his job. We also have SMT right there. Beautiful. Wow, where did he get that CISD? Let me use the projection. Oh wow, the 2 aligns perfectly just below this one. Alright, that's perfect. But gold, please, do not rush into the lows. Like, just chill. Chill. You don't have to rush. When I'm in a trade, you can rush. But now, just be a bit patient. So yeah, again, we gotta wait. I was here doing the markup for last week. Yes, for now, again, it's more of a patience game. I have to wait 25 minutes now before doing anything. Let me do something. 25 minutes, I'm not gonna. let's play Conquer. If I get a kill, I'm gonna go back to this chart. Oh, I'm not playing with anybody. Incorrect password? Damn. What is that? It says it's just a browser game. Let me see what's wrong with my password. Account Does not exist. Wow, that's beautiful. Damn. Oh, somebody just killed him, which is good. Okay, so there's somebody in the game. Alright, I just got killed. Okay, that's good. So let me just go back. Alright, player 4. Oh, it's probably live streaming or something. I'm streaming 3 then, probably it's streaming Conquer. Disaster. What's how? Long time ago, I think 1997, I was 3rd place in Quack 2. Quack 2. Damn. This seems like as if it's the first version of Overwatch. Is that an online game? Long time ago, I think. I was 3rd place in. Is this online back in there? Back then, was it online? How did you know you're 3rd place? If it was online, then yeah, that's obvious. But if it wasn't online, because I don't know, 1997. 1997. I'm sorry, man, but I gotta. 19. Oh shit! Internet is really. Wait, when was the internet boom, or I don't know. Internet invention. Let me check when. Damn. 1983. Wow, that shit is so. I thought I played that much. Wow. Damn, bro. ARPANET research project. Damn. TCP critical on the phone, different computer networks. Wow. When was the internet boom? So it was some sort of like. Oh yeah. Internet boom year? Oh, 1995. Alright. Let me see if they got also. Yeah, they also got an Eden Doors, man. Man. Like, the chart just repeats itself. We played deathmatch. Damn, bro. So you were really good back then, man. I'm sure you still got the skill, man. Once you decide to go back playing, like, to play games back, you'll kill it, man. 19. So that's like almost 20 years ago. When was the last time you played a game? When was the last time you played a game? And do you still play it with like your daughter or something? Let me do some. Like, give me that answer. I'll try to do some analysis on that market. So what we got is sweep of liquidity. This is the auto block. Price retested it right there. Auto block hold. Auto block held. Now what do we got? A big expansion. When we get these type of expansions, we got the CISD. So I would actually be targeting this high. I would take a loss probably here. We got that CISD. This is the failure to manipulate. So I'll be looking to trade back from external. So that's a winner. New swing back into the range, which is another winner. Swing into the range, that's good. Here I would probably look in reversal back into the EQ of the range. Winner. Get that. I play PS5 with all my daughter. Rayman and games like that. Wow. I chat a ton of times games. I started trying to test some games. Which one is your favorite game of all time? Is it that one? Is it a Quack or? Oh, the quality looks really good, by the way. Is this like a remake or something? Quack, an insane new expansion of Null Void. That's like a month ago. So I think there's still. I think that's some sort of remake, right? Because the quality looks really good, by the way. Is there a remake? Oh, remastered. Doesn't see any special. Oh, remastered actually. It is remastered. Is that on Steam? Let me go back and check on Steam. $10. That's good. .com bubble. You can mod graphic data. Okay. Because it looks good, to be honest, man. Like, it doesn't look that old. It looks really good. Like, it's playable. You can see everything. The colors are good. The lightings are good. So this is the story mode, but texture is super old. That's good. That what makes it beautiful, man. That what gives it the identity. Some games are supposed to stay like this. I prefer them this way. Yup, that's what I mean. It's super fast. Like the gameplay, I thought is yeah, that's super fast, man. Oh, the aim is really hard. To aim in that game, it's really hard. Oh, you guys can't hear the voice, right? Oh, I think if I share the voice, you guys be listening to Spotify. I get the. Circle jumping, star jumping, rocket. And the end you master everything. I gotta try it out, man. If we get a losing trade, if we take a loss, oh, that's beautiful. Look. Gold is setting up beautifully, which is a good sign. If we take a win, I'm gonna take that money and buy a coin. I go play. No, it's not. I'm gonna use inverted mode by y-axis. Inverted mouse? No, it's not. I use inverted mouse by y-axis. No, I think it's a bit off, especially with the speed. I'm not sure. Ah. Is it mouse aim test trainer? I guess that should be on. Let me check. Let me check. Let me check. Oh, that's like some sort of. Let me play this one. How can I play? Oh, you should download. All right, that's good. Let me see. Let me see if my aim is good. What time is it? Oh, I still got 50. I never record running the Unity. Come on, Unity always has issues, man. Always. I used to use Unity. Let me see if I do still have it. Unity. Yeah, so I used to make some games with Unity, man. Back in the day. Wait, is my internet good? I think there's some sort of issues with the internet. You guys can see the stream. Okay, the stream is good. Oh, let me see. Oh, it's so bad. Oh my god. Stop, that's so bad. Just make it a dot. That would be good. Show. Oh no. Circle. Graphics. Inverted map. No. Inverted mouse. Let me try now. Applying changes. Let me see. The sensitivity was really bad. Let me go back to the charts. Damn, bro. Damn, bro. Gold. Come on, man. Gold is enticing me. Not gonna lie. Wow. HO. Damn, bro. Look what's gonna happen. This high is gonna be the trigger for reversal since we just formed a gap. So CL can trigger into that gap. We have an SMT and we can continue lower. That's what I think. Oh no 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 no! I was doing English. Fuck. I closed the charts, man. Shit. We got NQ right there. Give me one sec. Also, besides network, I did trader for 6 years in. We could make some level game. We could make some level for some games. Oh, I did 3 years for Modo. What's Modo? I don't know what's Modo actually. Let me check. America's Social Casino? Is it that? Game Maker? Is it a game maker or 3D game maker? Let me go to gold. Let me go back to the stream. It's a 3 game program. 3D modeling. Oh, I'm only familiar with Blender. Oh, is it the game maker? Let's make a video. I know the game maker, but is it the shortcut for game maker? Because there's Unity, there's the what's the one by Epic Games? I forgot the name. Wait, Unreal Engine, and there's Game Maker, and also Blender. You can make some games with some logic, but Blender is so bad. Holy shit, gold is just gone. Fuck it. No, it's slowly mode to 3D, I think. Did I just do, man? Yeah, I think gold just went, so there's no trade right there on gold. Only thing we can do is just silver, but it's a bit. Let's just wait and see, man. Let's just wait and see. Damn, gold was beautiful actually. Yes, I know Blender is a free and it's great. Yep, it is good. Modo, okay. Modo is a Modo. What happened to grade 3? Bro, that was inspired by Blender, right? That was the one that you use the logic. You don't program, you don't use the code. You use just a logic between 2 things, and then you make the game, right? Wait, I'm gonna do a research in Arabic. No, okay, so it's not this one. Wait, let me show you one. كيفية صنع. Alright, I'm gonna do some research. Let me check. That's what I knew. It's gonna flip. I knew this would flip. That's beautiful. Thank you. Let me see. Give me 1 sec. 30 minutes, 4 minutes C2. Beautiful. Beautiful. So as I was a bit anticipated, but I think I would still seek longs on each other. I'm not gonna lie into that high. But I guess so. 3D building asset, but I did only assets for gambling games and some backgrounds. Nice, man. I'm questioning why you still haven't got a job, man. You got some really good skills, man. That I think the market is still searching for, if I'm correct. So let me take this to YouTube. Oh, out of respect. Wait. Not suit you, come on. Oh my god. Mm. Let me search for that video, man. There was a playlist that I was like Thomas Brush, man, is the king. I don't know where's that playlist, man. I forgot the channel name. Wait. Damn. Look at that. So yeah, if I've gotten that sweep, that could have been like a really easy trade on lane. So it is what it is. We can still see. Oh, okay. I'm gonna see continuations of the lows with one extra component that I need is the CISD. I'm trying to focus to find. I did one background. Wait, I gotta copy this message because I cannot see from far away. I'm trying to find it one background for some games. It was Counter Strike. What? Is the level you made now in the game? Like, is it currently being used? Damn, bro. No, I did for some gambling game. Alright. You did for like some sort of casinos? Yes, as you told me earlier. Let's see. But you're doing good, man. You can just see static background. So that was your major back in uni, or just something you learned on the top of your head? Or just because something you love and you try to pursue it? Wow, there are a lot of trades at the same time, man. Shit. Wait, are we gonna close below this level? Damn, that would be a siege. Just static. I've learned it all and did it for 6 years for some company. Damn, bro. But I mean, start. you're the guy. You're the G. I'm questioning where was your entry on ES. Where'd you get in? This probably on a 1 minute, right? Let me see. I think server is gonna set up right there. SMT inversion, 5-minute busy. Five-minute inversion? Which one? This? I don't know. 5? Oh, you said 5. Let me check. Oh, this one. With this CISD. So you got in right there or right here? Let me see. We did not close the ball. Beautiful. I'll try to find some assets. Bro, if you took one winner, you better call it a day, man. If you take a win, that's it. That's all it takes, man. One win a day to keep the 905 away. Oh, I did. I was dead. Okay, alright. You're doing really good, man. You got a good short. I think HO is gonna trade into the high, but an entry is not presented, so I'm not gonna look to trade there. So this is my stop. That's my take profit. If I look for 2R, that's the maximum should go. Alright. By the time HO gets there, hopefully we can get a sweep on CL with an intra-candle change. Nice, TP head. Good job, buddy. Let me see where AS is at. Yes, he's at. Oh, damn, bro. That was a clean-ass move. Unfortunately, it did not provide anything in terms of fractal model. Let me see. Like it did here. You kind of have to force it here. In Q. Was the only option for me, actually. I waited for a swing. Like as mentioned earlier, the article was good. Silver. Oh, trading higher. Alright, that's good. HO trading also higher, which is a good sign. I think I'm gonna trade long today. I think it's gonna be a long session. Good job, buddy. Really good job. Have a look at just some of my renders if you're interested. Where? Where can I see them? Did you upload them? Essential over transfer. No, it's not. There's no link here in the chat. I think the minute you posted it, it's gone. Look. Nothing. Boom, 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 boom. Yep. There isn't one. Oh, wow. Damn. I think that's the policy for... Yeah, that's why I told you to go when posting like the trade and view link to give me just the code after the link, because I think they don't allow such thing. I'm not sure, but they do. I think they do. I don't know why. I should put NQ here. Yes, right there. Alright, so NQ trader back into the EQ of the range. I think today is gonna be a long session. I think I'm gonna be here for the next 2 hours, man. Wow, come on, CL, come on. If it just sweeps, bro. Also, HO formed almost equal highs, man. I wish HO traded above. CL gave that wick. I'm gonna take this CSD, but it did not. NQ 30 minutes C3. This trade was easy to spot. Classic AMD, at least for me. Nice, man. I think the trade kind of like just nowhere lane. It also looks for the forever model. I guess it's similar to the forever model. I'm not sure. But like for me, I always kind of require a swing. So even like if the trade is clean, I just require that swing. Like it's really good, man. Especially trading from extreme premium. I'm trying to take the trade back. Range, and especially when we kind of range, it's most likely a new phase of price delivery. So here, caught a clean one, buddy. Silver, let me see what's going on right there. Let's take the 4 hour. Alright. Silver, GC. We went to extreme premium, yes. Into 15-minute free gap. There wasn't a 15 gap here? Or you treated back into the gap. Yep, this gap. Nice, man. Good spot right there. You spotted a good trade. Also got like SMT here, but it doesn't really matter. Also have this SMT. Oh, you traded this gap. With this SMT. Let me see. Yep. Also had that SMT right there. Didn't trade it back to rebalance the range. That's a really good spot. That's a really good trade. Good job, buddy. Patience game again. I'm gotta wait for another 11 minutes to then see if I might get something to trade, which most likely we won't. For now, we're getting that C3 on gold, but it gotta be because of that swing. So ideally, I want to trade the failure to manipulate to then trade to the extreme, or probably trade the BSP itself. Can you see the link now? Just nope. Can't. Can't. Just like look. Whenever there's a dot, like write something. Whenever there's a dot, just put a space, and I will try to anticipate what's happening right there. And when there's a slash, probably write something, space, slash, space. Now we'll try to do the work. Interesting. Let's see. Try to play this one. Is this gonna play out? Nah, we did not get the closure. Sorry guys, but I'm gonna play for like 5 minutes. Holy shit. Holy shit. This guy is untouchable. What the what's wrong with my mouse? Always does this. You're welcome, buddy. Enjoy your stay there. And take care, man, and a good trade. It's a good trade. You did a good job, man. I'll be staying here for probably like the next 2 hours. Like, as long as I haven't got it in trade before 1400, so I'm gonna stay here. See you, buddy. Take care. Yo, man. See you tomorrow or see you whenever you're free, man. Take care. Have a good one. Yeah, and probably like try to sort out the link if you can. That would be good if I can take a look at what you're doing. All right.